How to fix phone not ringing incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy phone. In this video I show you how to fix phone not ringing incoming calls. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for phone app, tap on phone, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on permission, allow all permission. Now tap on notification, allow notification. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, I hope then this method fix phone not ringing incoming calls. Thanks for watching.